world wants every car to be an EV, but Mazda has a problem. Batteries are heavy, and the MX-5 is supposed to be light. This is the 2026 Mazda MX-5, and it is the most important car the brand has ever built. It's the first step into an electrified future for the world's favorite roadster. But it's not the heavy battery box you were expecting. Mazda is fighting to keep the Jinba Itai spirit alive in a world of two-ton EVs. Welcome back to DRX AUTOMOBI. Today, we're diving into the tech that's saving the Miata. The big rumor for 2026 is the Rotary-Hybrid powertrain. Taking a page from the iconic SP, Mazda is looking at a turotor engine that doesn't drive the wheels. Directly, it acts as a high-output generator. For a compact battery and a rear-mounted electric motor, this gives you the instant torque of an EV with the screaming high RPM soul of a rotary. It allows the car to keep that ultra-low center of gravity and perfect 50/50ths weight distribution. Plus, with synthetic fuel testing now in full swing, this hybrid could be carbon neutral without ever needing a 2-hour charge, visually. The 2026 NE generation is a mini iconic SP. We're talking about those minimalist, semi-hidden LED headlights that mimic the classic pop-ups of the NA. The hood is impossibly low because there's no bulky piston engine underneath. It's just that compact rotary heart. Inside the cabin is a digital minimalist sanctuary, no massive tablets here. Just a driver-focused virtual cockpit, and crucially, a 6-speed manual transmission that Mazda is fighting to keep compatible with their new hybrid systems. If you really want a pure EV MX-5 in 2026, you'll have to look at the electrogenic conversion. They've taken the classic MK1, ditched the petrol engine, and swapped in a 42 kilowatt-hours battery pack. It delivers 160 horsepower and a 160-mile range, all while keeping the weight nearly identical to the original. It's the perfect resta mod for the electric age. But it shows just how hard it is to package an EV without losing the trunk space. For the factory model, Mazda says not yet to pure electric. They're waiting for solid-state batteries to get the weight down. The 2026 Mazda MX-5 is a line in the sand. It's a hybrid because it has to be, but it's a Mazda because it wants to be. Would you take a rotary hybrid over a pure EV roadster? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTOMOBI. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the corners.